So you must be pretty excited by now and wanting to get trading on the Minswap DEX. You know about slippage, price impact, you know all the features on the DEX itself. Okay, so let's get to the website, minswap.org. I already have my wallet connected. This is my Min wallet, and I have some assets loaded in there as well. So from the home screen, it's probably the easiest place to do a trade. Just type in the amount of assets that you want. Here I can see I received 431.9 Min tokens. And here I can just click on trade now and execute that trade. And now I need to confirm this transaction and enter in my sending password. I can check my assets here. So here I'm sending out 12.9 ADA. Now, if it's your first time trading, that is the 10 ADA plus the fees that I needed on the platform and a bit of ADA that needs to be sent with it as well. So I'll get some of this back. So I'm going to click on sign and submit. And there we go. My trade is done. So in a few moments, I'll see that all change. And I'm currently at 45.7 at 36.4 ADA there. And I'll see that refresh in a moment and I'll have those particular assets in my wallet. So here on my order screen, I can see my transaction. I've got my 10 ADA there, my refundable deposit of 2 ADA, and then my execution fee here of 0.9. The network takes about 0.7. So the Minswap and the protocols is taking 0.2-ish. And there we go. My transaction is now complete as well. All here. So if I check my wallet now, there we go. It's gone down. I've got 25 ADA now and a lot more tokens within my wallet. Great. Okay, trade done. Quick and simple to get started. But let's have a look at some of these more advanced features within the Minswap DEX and perform some of these more complex swaps.